Hello friends, welcome to Aussie's Group. Today I'm going to show you how to create your Australian bank account from a remote location for Commonwealth Bank of Australia. You can come to this page with the given link. On this page you'll find the information for the account that you're about to open. So let's start with it. On the right side of this page you can see it says ready to open your bank account. So we'll just go ahead and click on open now. And when you click on Open Now, you'll be prompted with two options. The first one is Everyday Account Smart Access. The second one is Student Everyday Account Smart Access. You can select the one whichever suits you the best. I'll select the first one. And after selecting the type of account, you'll be brought to this page right here. And then now we'll start setting up the account. So we can just start by clicking OK over here. Now we have to just fill up a few questions. The first one is this account for you or for someone else? You'll select here for me. The next is when do you think you'll arrive in Australia? So you can select the estimated time of arrival in Australia. You select that and just click on OK. Tell us about yourself. So here you'll select your salutation, you'll enter your name, your last name, your middle name, and then click on OK. Next is your language. So you'll select here your preferred language, your email address, your country code, and your phone number, and click on OK. Next is your date of birth. Select that and click on OK. Next is the postal code of the address that you reside in. You enter that, select the country that you're residing in, and click on OK. Now you have to select your branch. This would be the branch whichever is closest to you. So you can select the closest one to you for the state that you're residing in. So you can select here your state and then select your branch, whichever you want or whichever is closest to you. And when you're selecting that, you can see that on the map and it's done. So now click on OK. Next is what type of visa do you have? You select the visa type, whichever is preferable to you, and just click on OK. Now tell us about your work. So here you'll select the job category that you're working here there for. Select the job title, whichever suits you the best, and click on OK. How much will you earn each year? So now you just have to give them an estimate and select a preferred bracket and click on OK. Next is create your net bank password. Here you'll enter your net banking password for logging in every time you use it. Click on OK. Now these are the only questions. Now the last thing, before we open your bank account, there are a few things that you should know. So you can just go through the PDF which I provided here on this link, download them, go through them, and if you have any queries, you can contact the bank and sort that out. So now let's go ahead and click on Open Now. And now it has done processing. So now you can see that your bank account has opened and you can see the information of your bank account. You can see your account type, your PSP, your account number, and the balance that it has. Now you can transfer your money from a remote country to this particular bank account and use it when you arrive in Australia. So guys, this is how you open your international bank account from a remote location. Thank you.